Hey everybody, welcome back to DeAnn Creates. I'm Ashley DeAnn, and today I'm going to show you how to paint a buffalo check pattern. So if you like to see how I made this Dollar Tree sign go from this to this, then keep watching. The first thing I did was I took my ornament shaped sign that I got from Dollar Tree and I painted the entire thing with my base color. The color that I used was True Red from DeAnn's acrylic craft paint. After your sign is completely dry, you're going to use the painter's tape to make vertical stripes on your sign. Place one piece of tape down the center of the wood sign. The tape must be a little longer than the height of the sign. Then you're going to place another piece of tape on each side of that first piece of tape so that they're side by side and barely touching each other. Then you're going to pull up the piece of tape that's in the middle. And put it beside one of the other pieces of tape. And then you're going to put another piece of tape beside that piece of tape. Then you're going to take your new center piece of tape and pull that one up and keep repeating the process until your entire sign is covered with vertical stripes of tape. The reason that you're doing this is because you're trying to make sure that your rows are evenly spaced. Now you're going to take more of your base color, the True Red paint color, and pour it in your palette and mix it with a small amount of black paint. Paint with your newly mixed paint color in between the vertical stripes of painter's tape. After it's completely dry, pull up all of the pieces of tape. Now you're going to repeat the same process that you did when you placed the tapes vertically, but this time you're going to do it horizontally. You're going to place 3 pieces of tape down the center of the sign, and then you're going to take the middle one up and place it beside another piece of tape, and so on and so forth. Now you're going to take your base color and you're going to mix a new color. You're going to add just a tiny amount of black to this color because you want it to be lighter than the paint color that you just mixed previously. And then you're going to take that color and paint it in between the horizontal stripes on your sign. Just as a side note, I use my hand dryer to speed up the drying process. Now, that's up to you. You don't have to. My old hand dryer still works and it gets the job done. So you can let yours dry naturally if you choose. It's all up to you. When the paint is completely dry, this time you're not going to pull up your horizontal pieces of tape. Instead, you're going to take your painter's tape and you're going to place it vertically over the lighter colored squares. Now you're going to take your black paint and paint over all of the squares that are still exposed. In the comment section below, let me know if you guys are going to be using buffalo check to decorate this Christmas season. And if not, what theme are you going to use for your holiday decorations? When it's completely dry, pull off the tape and you're left with a beautiful hand-painted buffalo check sign. If you have a Cricut machine, you can use your Cricut machine to make a vinyl decal to go on your ornament. But I was all out of my vinyl, so instead I decided to freehand paint my word onto my ornament. I used a piece of chalk to sketch out where I wanted the word to go. And I used the squares in the buffalo check to kind of center my word and make sure exactly where I wanted it. After I wiped off most of the chalk, it was time to paint. So I grabbed my acrylic craft paint, the white color, and I painted my word exactly where I wanted it. I made a bow using wired ribbon and attached it to my sign with hot glue and pipe cleaner. That's pretty much it. Another fun festive craft that was simple to make and so much fun to do. If you enjoyed this video, then leave me a comment, smash that like button, and subscribe because you know you want to. Check out my website at DeAnnCreates.com. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and come back next time because you never know what I'll be creating next. Bye guys.